If you want to experience true power and speed, this is your horse. Here at Performance Kings Honda, we have a 2014 Ford Mustang GT with tons of modifications. Under the hood, we have a Kenne Mammoth 2.8 liter twin scroll supercharger kit that adds roughly 245 horsepower with a liquid intercooler. It comes with a BBK performance exhaust and headers system, adding another 30 reliable horsepower. Then we have a Nitto NT55R drag tires along with it with an AM wheel package. Underneath, we have an upgraded Spicer aluminum drive shaft, BMR suspension springs, and rear track bars that will drastically improve the feeling of the drive. On the back, we have a Magna flow muffler, which will also gain increased torque and horsepower of the Mustang, but mainly improve the sound. With a total of 680 horsepower, this is the car that you don't want to miss out on. So come on, stop by Performance Kings Honda or give us a call.